'Cause all you need is someone true like you are. 'Cause all you need is somebody.
Hey guys, welcome back to SandyFam. In this video, we are going to be talking about one of life's scariest moments. Because obviously there's a lot of things that are scary that could go wrong, but this one really sucks. So let's say you want to watch TV. So you grab your remote. This is for a Hisense 75-inch Roku TV. I know it says TCL, but it's because we lost our remote and they all work together, which is another fun fact. You turn your TV on and you get the screen of death. This is not a YouTube video playing in the background. This is my literal screen of death right now. Look, ready? Listen. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. See? That's the sound to turn off the TV. And I'm gonna turn it back on again. Oh no! What do you do when you get the screen of death on a 75-inch TV that you obviously cannot afford to replace? So your first step is to turn the TV off. I have all my garland here, so it doesn't want to go. Okay, so you're gonna come over here. I don't know if it's dusty, so don't judge me, okay? But you can unplug it directly from the wall, but I'm not gonna do that because that's like all the way back down in the abyss. So I'm just going to unplug my TV unplugs right here. So anytime there's a thunderstorm or if the roads are icy and it's probable that a car could crash into a pole, we would lose electric. Anytime there might be any kind of electrical surge, we just unplug our TV. Better safe than sorry. I have lost part of our camera system and a 65-inch TV in a previous thunderstorm. Craziest thing ever. I think I posted it a little while back. But anyway, so you're gonna wait and you're gonna count to 60. So it's unplugged. You're gonna come over to wherever your button is. Sometimes they're in the center. Mine is right here. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna hold the power button for 30 seconds. So, yes. So while we are waiting these 30 seconds, I will say, oh, look, there's a reflection of me over there. Hey girl, hey. But no, like people always talk about surges and storms and stuff like that. And I always like unplug my computers and any electronics. And I usually unplug my TV, but in this circumstance, we were actually sleeping and, you know, had no idea a storm was even coming. We don't watch our TV that often, so I didn't even know at first that something was wrong with the TV. So when we went to go watch the TV, probably a couple weeks later, went to go turn it on and we're like, hey, what's happening? And it would turn on, but like that was it. The whole motherboard went. It was expensive to replace, but obviously instead of replacing the whole motherboard, we just spent just a little bit more. And we got this guy at Walmart. I think it was like $9.99 at the time. And recently, I think on Black Friday, I think I saw it for like $3 something. So, okay, it's been 30 seconds. 60 seconds unplugged, 30 seconds holding the thing. I'm going to plug it back in, which I don't know if I can do with the phone in my hand. And I don't want to knock my TV down. Okay. Oh, remote. All right. You have to like excuse the mess here. We're getting ready for Christmas. All right. Cross your fingers. Drum roll, please. Brrr. Please, God. Because every time this happens, I legit have a heart attack thinking it's going to be the last time. But so far, every single time I have tried this, it has worked. So I'm just sharing it with everybody else just in case you run into the same issue because it's horrifying. Like, granted, like I said, there's so many other things in life that can go wrong. But for me, seeing the screen of death, especially as a kid that grew up in the 90s and you know once you see that screen, it's game over. But for now, this works. So please let me know if you had this happen to your TV and you tried it out, and please let me know if it worked or not. I really hope that I helped you guys today. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Share with your friends. Bye! And Merry Christmas if you're watching it during Christmas time.
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again is something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world. outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, something new. Then I would have what it takes, make you feel like you're safe. Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you.